Welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video is gonna be about Tylex. So let's get right into the video. T78 Quick Charge Dual USB Port 2.1A Fast Charging Travel Charger for Android. Tylex is founded in 2012, which started as local market retail store. In 2016, Tylex specialized in consumer electronic products like headset, headphones, Bluetooth speaker, cell phone tempered glass and clear soft case to meet various needs of customers. The brand is carried out exclusively by Lazada and Shopee's top online seller in the Philippines, Lucky HR. In 2017, Tylex became a certified trademark approved by the Intellectual Property Office, IPO, of the Philippines. In 2018, there are adjustment in strategies and product assortment like charger and cables, power banks and air cooling devices like mini fans which are according to market demands. Tylex is in current development as an online brand in Lazmall store to consistently keep passion and mission and to expand better products. Tylex aims to refine consumer visual and online buying experience. Through 7 years of journey, Tylex has been well recognized in the online market and grown into a comprehensive company devoting cell phone accessories and devices products. Tylex regularly do a look ahead and back and gather product reviews and feedbacks on products to find ways for continuous improvement. Temperature protection. Fast charging IC. Overcharge protection chip. Input, AC 100-240V 50/60 Hz. Max current. Output, DC 5V 2.1A max. Working temperature, -5C 40C. Humidity. Atmospheric pressure, 86 kilopascals 106 kilopascals. Compatibility, universal. Model, T78. Warranty period, 3 months. Colors, black/blue/green/red/white/pink. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you next time.